well, well, well. Look who finally decided to show up. Okay, maybe you're saying that about me. Should we hit the torch again? Woohoo! After taking some time to move my family from Houston to Independence, Missouri, and taking a little bit more time to take care of my mental health and do really adult things like drink beer, stare at a shop that I haven't set up yet. I'm here to tell you one thing. Your Build Daddy is back. For those of you who've been here since the beginning, you know that Build Dad Build started as more than lasers and product reviews. It started with working with your hands. I was at a point in my life where I discovered that working with my hands was therapeutic. It actually soothed my soul. So working with your hands is my therapy. The kind that leaves you covered in sawdust, the kind that leaves you covered in ash, the kind that maybe gives you a Band-Aid or two along the way. Hopefully not a trip to the burn unit. But it should leave you feeling satisfied at the end of the day. It should leave you feeling accomplished. The only word that I can think of that sums it up is it's like having a 6-foot boner with a cheeseburger on the end of it, baby. Woo! That's why the new mission for the channel is simple. Burn, build, inspire. So this channel is going back to its roots. We're gonna kick it old school.
Let's kick it old school.
And by that I mean less product reviews, more working with my hands, more making cool shit, and more setting things on fire. Hopefully safely. More woodworking, more crazy finishes, and more unique projects. So what's new? Bi-weekly live streams. Not sure exactly what they're gonna look like yet, but stay tuned. New merch is on the way, got a little delayed, but you'll have something to represent yourself as part of the Cupcake Army. Channel memberships are now live. I'm moving everything over from Patreon. If I'm gonna keep the channel focused on projects and not chasing affiliate deals, your support is gonna be what keeps this thing going. You wanna help? You want exclusive content? You wanna join the madness, the actual insanity that is Cupcake Nation? Hit that join button. Now, you didn't think I'd come back and not make something, did ya? It's an oldie, but a goodie. It's a simple project, really. Just a board and a bottle opener. So first we gotta give this board a little choppy chop. You know I can't leave it all straight and boring. Ain't nobody got time for that. Shou Sugi Ban, baby. We burn it, we build it, we inspire. Next, we're gonna give it a little love with the Restore, a little bit of that sweet stuff. I would be remiss if I did not tell you guys to glove up. Boom. Depth, texture, and character. All right, I made 2. You tell me which one you like better. I like this one. I usually, when you're doing grain work, I like to make 2 or 3 just because you don't know what it's gonna turn out like. So we're gonna stick with this one. If you guys have a good idea for this guy, let me know in the comments down below. All right, so a lot of people that make these, they cut a little thing out on the back and put a magnet in there. So when you pop your bottle, the bottle cap falls down and sticks to it. I don't like that. I like the little tinky tink noise that it makes when it falls down into a bucket. So I bought a bucket. And now for the most important part, the bottle opener. So just gonna drill in spots here. Mission accomplished. So if you've been here from the beginning, thank you. And a big cheers to you. If you're just now finding the channel, strap on in. Hit that subscribe button, turn on those little notification thingies, and let's build something awesome together. And don't forget to put a little stank on it. Daddy out.